नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। आई एम JVN प्रोफेसर मंजू शर्मा। प्रोग्राम नेम मास्टर ऑफ एजुकेशन फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर। सेशन नेम साइंटिफिक मेथड टाइप्स। कोर्स नेम मैथोलॉजी ऑफ एजुकेशनल रिसर्च। यूनिवर्सिटी नेम ज्योति विद्यापीठ विमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी। I welcome you all in university class amid first semester. Today we are discussing about I am Professor Manju Sharma. Today we are discussing about scientific method types. How many types of the scientific method and how can use scholar in research problem, and they need method and success their work. There are two main types of scientific method. Basic type of research associated with the scientific method. Overall evaluation are two types. Overall main scientific methods are two types. That is, one is qualitative and quantitative. One is quantitative, next to qualitative. Qualitative research, quantitative research. Quantitative research is generally associated with the positivist or post-positivist paradigm. It usually involves collecting and converting data into numerical form so that statistical calculations can be made and conclusions drawn. Qualitative research. Qualitative research is the approach usually associated with the social constructivist paradigm, which emphasizes the socially constructual nature of reality. It is about recording, analyzing, and attempting to uncover the deeper meaning and significance of human behavior and experience, including controversy, beliefs, behaviors, and emotions. Researchers are interested in gaining a rich and complex understanding of people's experience and not in obtaining information which can be generalized to other larger groups. Scientists use three types of investigation to research and develop explanations for events in the nature: descriptive investigation, comparative investigation, experimental investigations. Scientists use mainly three types. First is descriptive, next to comparative, and last experimental investigation. The scientific method is an empirical method of acquiring knowledge that has max protein, or it might be broad. Psychology and the scientific method from theory to conclusion. The scientific method offers a standardized way for psychologists to test hypotheses, build on theories, and gain knowledge about the mind key points. The scientific method was first outlined by Sir Francis Bacon, 1561 21626. To provide logical, rational problem solving across many scientific fields. The basic steps of the scientific method are: make an observation that describes a problem, create a hypothesis, test the hypothesis, draw conclusions and refine the hypothesis. The major prospect participants of the scientific method employed by all scientific disciplines are verifiability, flexibility, predictability or fairness. Critical thinking is a key component of the scientific method. Without it, you cannot use logic to come to conclusions. Thus, scientific method of discovery knowledge about the natural worlds based on making falsifiable predictions, hypotheses, testing them empirically and developing peer-reviewed theories that best explanation the known data. Scientific method. सबसे पहले scientific method ask questions. Scientific method first है make an observation. Ask questions. From a hypothesis, answer the questions. Make a prediction based on the hypothesis. Do an experiment to test the prediction. Analyze the result. Two types of analyze the result. Hypothesis is correct. Hypothesis is incorrect. Overall research data, finding and justification to hypothesis. They justify that hypothesis is correct या incorrect. After statistical analysis, they give finding, result and reports. So, scientific method discovering knowledge are very important for scholars या each others. Quantitative data collection. Sample. Qualitative गुणों का मात्रा गुण कैसे दोनों का पता करते हुए एक रिसर्चर कैसे अपनी फाइंडिंग्स करता है, क्या सैंपल लेता है, कैसे वो ऑब्जर्वेशन करता है, ऑब्जर्वेशन के बाद स्टेप बाय स्टेप जस्टिफिकेशन ऑफ हाइपोथेसिस करते हुए कैसे वो एंड तक अपना रिसर्च वर्क पूरा करता है. So, two types are very important for each scholars. And science discipline 4 types. अलग अलग prediction, अलग अलग fairness, truthfulness and accurate result of their research problem. This session powered by digital version 2.0 Jayoti Vidyapeeth Women's University and also say, hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you.